everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Claudine from Les Trouvailles de Claudine, Crafting with Claudine. Today I'm presenting my 33rd demo relating to my promotion of offering a gift or what I'm doing with the kits of Paper Pumpkin and Stampin' Up! So today I'm presenting Box of Sunshine. Box of Sunshine is a long time I got this kit, and I kept putting it away as the others, and but I watched Rachel Tessman a few times, and I admire this lady and I love her project. So today I'm going to present some of the project that she made. I will put the link underneath so you'll know how to realize those projects if you like them, if you didn't do it yet. And I will start right now. So I'm gonna pull, but first of all, I'm gonna bring you here my projects that I just did by using cards from the kit. And I will start like this. So there you go. I don't know if you know those mini composition book. You must, like Walmart and Amazon has them. And this were the colored one. And I just want to show how fun it could be by decorating with a little bit of designer series paper and some cardstock and some pre-cut shapes, you know. And there you go. So this is the one thing I wanted to show you. Then what I did is I turned around. I took one of the cards of the kit, and I will show you, and I trimmed it. So first of all, I trimmed it so it fit my little notebook. So the dimension is up to you, because you just turn around and whatever you have, you trim it. What's important is I make a line, two embossing lines. So I start from the middle of the card. I added 1/8 of an inch on the right and 1/8 of an inch on the left to do my lines, my embossing lines. And then after that, all I do is I trim my card to fit about a 1/4 inch all around, larger than your little album or notebook. After that, I made this little holder here, so you can change your book. So the holder depends of the size of your card again. So what I did is I took almost 4 7/8, and I added underneath to flip so I can glue inside to make it looser. So it's about 1 inch longer, so you fold 1/2 inch and you glue. So you have this, and you can change it when it's done. And then I put some designer series paper that I had, a leftover that, almost done with it. It's been a long time. I don't even know the name of it, but anyway. So I used that. And I turn around and I just glue that and did a little pocket to put in a little book sign, a magnet bookmark. So this, you'll find this explanation how to do those bookmark magnet from Rachel. But I did is it's like her. I took one of the cards that was in the kit. I cut it in three bookmarks. So that's one. Lemon and orange fits nice. So this is, oh yeah, and this, I turned around and I took, I always say, don't throw all your leftover, you know, from your pre-cut designs. I cut by scissor, I fussy cut around, and I glue it on the top of the card. So see, and I use some stickers from the kit. And this, well, my friends, it's a lemon. I just stamp on it and I trimmed by scissors so it looks like an oval. An oval. Okay, so this is my first. And the second, I took again the base card that was a sun, and then I took the pre-cut shape of the sunshine, and I did a circle. I cut with my perforatrice. Okay, so Claudine, you lost your word. My anyway, die cut or perforatrice, and I so the sun comes out from the basic card. And the circle, punch. I glue it in the center of the middle of the card. You know, that card stuck, I said at first, that I did my bookmark. So it's like 3. 1, 2, 3. I think it's the center. Anyway, doesn't matter. You just go all the way out. It's like this, you know. We cut the base card. Anyway. And then I stamped on the pad, a different type of pad. And when I trim my card here, I kept till the end all the little nicks and knacks of it. And see, I stick that on it. So it's like a rappel, they say in French, of the color to match the card. And again, here, I put a little holder. And with 1/2 inch, I flip a 1/4 inch inside. 1/4 inch, maybe, no. I would say either 1/2 inch or 3/8. And here, same thing. And that's to stick my magnet at the same time. Put design paper. And that one was another collection. And that collection, I loved that collection. And I saw that, oh, it's this. And look at that. It's like similar with the sunshine thing here. So this is my number 2. Okay, then, let's see, I continue. After that, well, this is the bookmark is from Rachel. And in the box, you'll follow all her instruction. That's what I did here. And it's perfect. You have to trim a little bit at the end, but she mentions that. And I even used the same ribbon, and I added additional leaves that comes from the kit to make it more dimension. So that's my little box. And then I said, well, what about all my cards, my non-handmade cards? You know, when you donate at SPCA or you donate at the Cancer Society, and then you receive all these beautiful cards. So what I did, and this, I did the demonstration on my French version, but I'll just explain to you. You just take one of those cards that has a design font that you like on the side, and you make sure that the front card will be the top. And what I did is I follow what Rachel did, and I scored all my sides at 7/8. Scored all sides, and then I just have to make sure that my center, my box is the line. The center of the card is right here. No, right here. So I did 7/8 on this side. So it's for the front. It's for the top. And then that's it. Like I followed everything else, angle cut, everything. And I was saying at the end of my French video, I said, well, this is too bad, you know, because here it's like, I see the SPCA, and it's really nice. So I think what I'm going to do for this one, oh, I have to trim this. It's like, oh yeah, see, you have to adjust. Maybe I will trim shorter a bit on each side. Doesn't need to be all that long. But I said I will put a little Velcro and close it. So it's a lot of fun because now I know how to do these type of cards with some beautiful cards I have. I'll make all the mini cards, mini box, and those boxes I won't glue them right away. I'll just prepare everything and keep it flat, and then when it's time to give a present or bring a hostess gift, I'll just glue it. And then the last thing I want to show you, see, that's my third bookmark. The last thing I want to show you is a little bag, a portfolio or accordion, little file. This is I did in another project, and it's like you take a base card and the center here is folded inside. I put again I did a line embossing on a 1/4 inch one side, and same thing the other here too. The center is here. Then after that, here all you have to do is punch hole, put a little linen thread, something, a little thread, and there you go. You can put a little card in there, decorate to your taste. this one, I said, well, let's say if I want to put a box. So if you see my video, my French video, I completed the project. But basically, it's you did the passing lines on each side, and then you create accordion here. And the accordion, I said, is you turn around and you take the length of the card, which is here's, and I leave about a 1/4 inch loose. So instead of 4, I put 3 and 3/4. And then after that, for the 3 inch would be after that of the cardstock to make lines every 1/2 inch. So if I have here, so I turn around, see, I took that, and then every 1/2 inch I made a line, and then I start folding, 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 and I will do it. So I'll fold in accordion style. So I have my 1/4 inch and my 1/2 inch, sorry, and whoop, I don't want to cut, I want to 1 inch, 1 inch, 1.5, 2, and 2.5. And then that's it. Accordion inside out, inside out, mountain, valley, mountain, mountain, valley, mountain, valley. And then after that is this will stick inside your card. You see? Yeah. Okay, like that. So, oh, like that. And this, like that. So this flip and this flip will glue inside this card and inside this card. So I was suggesting on my French video that when you glue here, don't glue right away here. Glue each side first and start after that gluing on the other side. I find maybe it'll be easier. And you do is you take a double side tape, a little bit of wet glue, and then you line up. You line up, and you make sure you line up on when it's time to glue the other side the same way, you know, a little bit upper, little hair up the embossing, the other embossing. So you'll have about, with that second embossing line, you'll have about a 1/4 inch here. So I think, and then I didn't trim any of that. No. So this is it. Then I use some stickers from the kit and a ribbon on my stash. And here's from the kit. This is from my paper. I put little trims like that. Anyway, so I'm just having fun decorating my little bag here. So this is it. So I hope you enjoy my mini demonstration of today, and that and then as a gift, I will be giving away one of my bookmarks, one of my magnet bookmarks, to the first person who will comment saying that she wants it. And then I hope you enjoy my mini presentation of today. Have a nice end of a day or an evening, and I'll see you soon. And thank you so much for listening, and thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for liking and sharing. Bye bye.